Hello everyone, I'm going to talk about my personal information and describing my family. My name is Hyler Tapia. I'm 26 years old. I am from Barranquilla, Colombia, but I live in Soledad. I live with my parents, a brother, and a nephew. I am not working at the moment, but I am a student of industrial engineering at UNAM. My hobby is workouts at the gym. My favorite TV show is The Simpsons, and my favorite sport is soccer. Describing my family. There are four people in my family. My father, Teofilo Tapia, he is 59 years old. He is a mechanic and he is retired. He is from Barranquilla. My father is very nice. He is tall and strong. His eyes are brown and his hair is short and black. My mother, Alba Escorcia, is 59 years old. She is a housewife and she is from Barranquilla too. She is a very sweet and kind person. She is medium height and she has long black straight hair and her eyes are brown. My older brother, Yeris, is a graphic designer. He works from home. He is 36 years old and she is from Barranquilla too. He is tall and thin. His eyes are brown and he has brown curly hair and he has dreadlocks. My nephew, Randy, is 18 years old. He is from Soledad and he is an electromechanical engineering student. He is very nice and gentle. He is tall and thin. His eyes are brown and he has short and black hair. Thanks for listening to me.